Deep in the tropics, millions of coconut trees stretch as far as the eye can see, the source of a global culinary staple.
Waiting for the perfect maturity, these coconuts are heavy with rich meat and sweet water.
Once they hit the ground, the journey from farm to factory begins immediately to ensure freshness.
In many regions, waterways are the highways of the coconut trade, transporting tons of produce daily.
At the processing plant, industrial trucks arrive around the clock, delivering the raw material for processing.
The sheer volume is staggering. Thousands of brown coconuts tumble onto the intake ramp. Before anything else, a high-pressure wash removes the field dirt and soil from the outer husks.
The first major challenge is the husk, a thick, fibrous layer that protects the seed.
In a display of raw mechanical power, these massive spikes tear through the thick coconut fibers, peeling the husk in seconds. The stripped fiber, known as coir, is separated and sent off to be made into ropes and mats.
Modern factories use laser-guided saws to cut the hard shell without shattering the meat inside.
This water is filtered and chilled, processed separately as a refreshing isotonic drink.
Now we are left with the prize, the thick, pearly white kernel, rich in healthy fats.
Quality control inspectors visually check every single half, immediately discarding any that show signs of spoilage or yellow spots.
Using this specialized deshelling tool, the white meat is pried from the shell. Then, a rotating abrasive
The hard shells are collected and often used as eco-friendly fuel to power the factory's boilers.
The meat is out, but it still has a thin brown skin known as the testa attached to the back. To create premium white milk, this brown skin must be removed by automated paring machines.
The blade expertly shaves off the thin brown skin, revealing the pristine white meat underneath.
These pairings are pressed separately to make low-grade oil, ensuring zero waste.
The white meat enters a massive washing tunnel to ensure absolute hygiene before grinding.
The hydrophobic surface of the coconut meat repels the water, ensuring it remains clean and sterile for processing.
This grated pulp is bursting with oil and flavor, waiting to be extracted.
This is the money shot. Rich, creamy coconut milk oozing out of the press.
This first press extract is the highest quality, containing the most fat and natural flavor. The dry fiber, now stripped of its milk, exits the machine as a crumbly white powder.
The extracted milk flows rapidly through this network of sanitary pipes, resembling a white river high above the factory floor.
To ensure a smooth texture, the liquid is passed through a vibrating microsieve to catch any stray fibers.
The fine mesh ensures that only the smoothest liquid passes through, resulting in this incredibly silky consistency.
Check the fat content on this batch. It seems lower than the previous run.
Let me verify the calibration on the analyzer.
For thicker products, centrifuges spin the liquid to separate the water, concentrating the cream.
The milk is gently stirred in blending tanks to prevent separation before packaging.
Natural stabilizers are sometimes added to ensure the texture remains smooth during shipping.
Safety is paramount, so the milk enters the pasteurization or UHT unit.
It is flash heated to high temperatures for just a few seconds to eliminate bacteria.
Immediately after heating, it is rapidly cooled down to preserve the fresh, nutty aroma.
With robotic precision, the rotary filler dispenses the exact volume of liquid into each can. In a blink of an eye, the lid is placed and the edges are rolled shut, hermetically sealing the can.
Traveling at high velocity, the freshly sealed cans are moments away from entering the rapid cooling phase.
They pass through a water bath to bring the temperature down and prevent the milk from overcooking inside the can. The labeling machine wraps the branding around the can, giving it its final identity. From the factory floor, these cans travel thousands of miles to grocery store shelves.
In a kitchen halfway across the world, a chef pops the seal.
The thick, rich cream pours out, transforming this simple dish into a gourmet curry. It is the soul of curries, soups, and desserts in cuisines globally.
From savory to sweet, the versatility of coconut milk is unmatched.
Back at the factory, nothing is wasted. The dry leftovers are packed as flour or animal feed.
Even the shells are used to fuel the boiler that sterilizes the milk, completing a sustainable cycle. Nature provides the raw material, and human ingenuity perfects it.
Refreshing, nutritious, and plant-based, it is a drink for the future.
Every drop represents a complex journey of inspection, extraction, and preservation.
The people behind the process ensure that quality never wavers.
And that is the incredible journey of how premium coconut milk is made.